N8N Google Calendar. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, go to your browser and search for N8N.io in the search bar. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account first. After logging in, you'll be directed to the home page. From there, go to the top right corner and click the Create Workflow button to get started. In the new workflow space, click the Add First Step button in the middle of your workspace. A menu will appear, and you should choose the option that fits with your project. Next, click the plus button next to your first step. Another menu will appear. Search for Google Calendar in the menu and click on it. Several actions will appear. Choose the one that matches your project and click on it. At this point, you can create new credentials. Click the option to create credentials and sign in to your Google account. After signing in successfully, close the credential settings window. Once everything is properly set up, click the Execute Step button to connect your workspace.